Heaven knows I like to be way up. Puffing on them trees, I said way up. In between the knees, I said lay up.
Alright, you guys, so let's get right into it. So today I am using my body wave hair again from Longqi hair, the Malaysian body wave. Y'all, this hair is so soft. I only used 3 bundles and got this much fullness, you guys. I'm just trying to talk to y'all about it before I forget. So I'm gonna do this, you know, I've had this vision of doing this cornrow, 2 cornrow thing, half up, half down with some crimps. Like I wanted some crisp ass crimps. This hair already had some really nice pretty waves in it that I didn't aspire to wash out. I just wanted to go in with the crimps. You guys, low key, high key, if your bundles don't smell stink, don't wash them when you first get them, sis. Like just let it flow. Just let it flow. I'm using a closure. This is a closure, so I'm trying to figure out how to finesse with the closure, because you know I don't got a frontal. I can't just part wherever I want. Well, I still can part, but up to a certain amount of space. So I guess just watch me do this here. Pretty much self-explanatory. But sis, we gonna start styling hair on this channel. Like, I'm not gonna just come to y'all with boring ass reviews. We gonna start doing styles like layering, cutting certain styles together, doing certain styles per your request, per your DM, and we're gonna do them on camera together, see how they come out. And also, I will be starting to really, you know, get into the selling the wigs thing, or maybe do a giveaway or 2 here and there. 100K subscribers coming up, so we gotta do it big, okay? So yeah, I was on the phone doing this, so if you see my mouth yapping, that's why. After I finished braiding the 2, I took a black rubber band and I secured the ponytail thing, okay? So I think now I'm about to start working on the baby hairs, or I'm about to, like, you know, secure the wig in place. And the way I do that is with my Pump It Up freeze spray. Like, high key, that's the new wave. Like, that setting spray, not setting spray, that Pump It Up spritz really keeps your frontal closures in place. Sis, if you're trying to finesse wigs, closure or frontal, or even leave out, why don't you have a silk scarf, sis? Why don't you have a satin silk scarf? What are you doing if you don't have one of these things? Moral of the story, make sure you have a silk scarf. It's not expensive. I have like 5, 6, 7 of them, and we'll still get more. Okay, so while you're styling your hair, you want to let your head tie stay on. Oh, look at them curls. Oh my god, look at the waves I meant to say. Ooh, kind of hurt my heart to crimp the hair because it was just so soft and it just flowed. Oh my god, it looks so good. But yeah, you want to keep your scarf on while you're styling your hair so that it doesn't pull on the baby hair or the closure or the frontal that you just laid down. So make sure you do that. So the crimper that I'm using today is the bedhead crimper. I got it from Target. So just, I guess, search that up on the internet or go to Target and look for it. Y'all, crimping is low-key a lot of work. My hand, like, it feel like I'm pressing like a pressure ball, one of those little hand workout things when you do this. So just know that. It took me about 35 to 40 minutes to do this. But I love it. Just looks so crisp. Like, I got me some bacon crimp, sis. Like, yes. Have it on the hottest setting. And I sprayed it with some Got To Be spray because I didn't want to spray it with spritz because spritz is a little bit heavier and stickier than Got To Be. So yeah, that's what I was doing there. And the fact that this hair was already body wave, I love that it had a natural like wave or curl at the end, so I didn't have to worry about what direction to make sure the crimp went at the end. It just flowed, as you can see here.
Oh, this my jam, nigga.
And like I said, like, this hair is is new. Like, I didn't put no product in it, no nothing in it. Just wore it how it was. Didn't bleach the knots, which I think that's gonna be my new thing, unless I really need to, because it makes the closure last longer, you know. So
oh, this my jam, nigga.
I don't know about y'all, but this is really satisfying for me, just watching the top come together. I wish I had the little gold clips that you could put in the braids, because I had a vision in my head. I'm gonna get them, but maybe do it for a different hairstyle. But look at this, it's just so satisfying. And the reason why my crimper look a little dirty is because I sprayed spritz on it when I was doing my other wig when it was off my head. But anyway, yeah, y'all, this is just so satisfying. Like, yes, girl, yes. Oh god, so now I'm trying to do this little gold wraparound thing. I'm sure I did this wrong. I'm gonna learn how to do it, but I was trying to do that little, wrap thing, have my, little ponytail stand up nice with the gold wrap, you know what I'm saying? I had a vision. Like, I'm sure y'all see my tunnel vision. Let me stop. But really, they don't want to see me winning, y'all. But yeah, my arms was hurting, y'all. This was a workout. I was on live struggling to do this, but yeah, so that's gonna be pretty much it. You guys, I thank you guys for watching this video so much. Love you. Make sure you check out Longqi body wave hair. I don't know about the other hairs, but the body wave hair, I'm definitely with it. Make sure you check it out. Thank you, Longqi hair. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for these beautiful crimps, Abby, that you just did in this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, love you. Mwah. Peace. Be looking this full in the front. Bleaching the knots definitely will help with camouflaging, or like, you see all these black lines and how you can't see no